Hi folks, so today this video is all about using Xero, and if you are one of those businesses where you don't do the accruals basis of accounting, so you don't put in your invoices and your receipts when they fall due, you just process transactions when they're paid for your bank account, then this video is all about how you can add images, photos, documents to those transaction lines in Xero, and that will not only make your accountant's life a lot easier when they come to review your accounts, but in the event HMRC conduct an inquiry, you've got the digital copy of those records and receipts. And that's a really handy tool when we all know paper receipts. I would still suggest you keep onto them, but sometimes they get lost. So having them all in your accounting records is a massive bonus to have. So let's get straight into it. And if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. Right, so we're in the bank statements, the bank trend lines to reconcile them. If you're unsure how to get there, I always do it through accounting at the top, bank, and then I select the bank that I want to review. But we'll go back for now for this exercise. So we're going to pretend now that I'm a cafe and I've bought some items to sell in my cafe. So I've got this Cooper Street bakery here, £15.75, and I want to analyse that receipt. Now I can't really remember exactly what it was for, but I've got a copy of the receipt. So I click on this icon here to upload it, upload the files, and I can see it's this one here. Wait for that to load. So that's now in the system, and I move it up here so I can properly look at it. So it's for 1575, and I can see that is correct. So dates are all right. There's no reference number on there, so I'll leave that blank. You can enter this in one of two ways. Some people like to do it as one item. They might just put it straight down to purchases, and they put £15.75 purchases. I like to break it down a bit better with my clients, simply because if, for example, they're buying their sourdough from Cooper Street Bakery and it's £6.50, and then they also buy it from, I don't know, Krusty Loaf and it's £5.50, I'll be able to see in Xero that they're actually getting a better deal with Krusty Loaf. And if they haven't spotted it, I raise it with them. And then Devon pasty, spoken like a true Devonian, like that. So that's all analysed now. Now there was no VAT on that, and now for this exercise I'm not VAT registered, so I'll just go no VAT. So they get totals of 1575. I've got the document sat here ready. I hit save transaction and it comes up here. Do I want to match it? Yes, I do, because I've just created it. So let's go and have a look and see where that is. So if I go to account transactions, you can actually see here 22nd of April. It has got the description. I didn't enter a reference. It's got the amount. It's showing that this is for a direct bank feed of import. It's reconciled, and there is the item. So I click on it. I don't even need to go into the transaction to see it, which is a great little thing to have. But let's say you've gone in through your profit and loss account, or you've gone in through your assets and on the balance sheet, and you're looking at the transaction through this view. You can see all this information here. You can click on here and you can download it. You can zoom in on it. You can zoom out. Now, this is amazing bit of kit with Xero, because if you aren't doing the bills to pay where, I buy something now, I put the receipt into Xero, it shows as a liability. Then when it goes through the bank, I match it to that bill to pay. If I'm doing it straight through my bank, my accountant, wherever he is in the country, can still access that information in real time. So I can be in this document now and seeing the receipt and not needing to have the paper records. So the days where you used to send a carrier bag or a box of paperwork to your accountant will go if you use Xero in this way. And it's a really handy tool, and give it a go, play with it, try it, see if it works for you. I always try and encourage clients, especially if they're limited companies, always do the bill to pay section. It's not worth cutting corners because you're going to do most of the work anyway, and you could end up missing on tax relief, and that's a day for another video. All right, so thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. Any questions, pop it in the comments below, and hopefully I will speak to you soon. Bye bye.